Good afternoon, students. I am just putting some conjunctions before you all to monitor, as it is most useful for your editing part. As you will be having 5 number questions, and there you will lag behind if you don't understand the application of conjunction. It forms always clauses, and you have to edit always clauses only. So you need to understand this. Conjunction is a word which joins, combines two words or sentences together, and or but for etc. Like Ram is a fast bowler and Syam is another fast bowler. These are two coordinate clause of a compound sentence. That compound sentence is turned into a simple sentence. It is a case of synthesis. Here, with the help of conjunction, it is turned into a single sentence. Ram and Syam are fast bowlers. Like so, with the help of conjunction, we can modify our sentences well and edit also. If we understand conjunctions well, we can edit well. Kinds here, mainly there are two kinds of a conjunction. These are coordinating conjunction. It is of 4 types: cumulative, adversative, disjunctive or elative. And the other one is subordinating conjunction. It has got no any kind, like example before, after, yet, that, etc. These are subordinating conjunction. Besides these two more kinds of a conjunction, we use that conjunction in narration and all. You can understand it always forms a subordinate clause of this. So correlative, the other two kinds are correlative and compound. It comes in pairs, like either or neither nor, or but for, so as, not only but also, hardly, when, like that. And lastly, it comes compound conjunction. Here it is a group of words, and its structure is like as well as if, not so as big as, like. So you should go through this conjunction part. Later on, I shall be putting a clause connection with that conjunction, and there you will have more confidence on your editing part thereafter. So you kindly write it down or by heart it well. Fine.